Student, good morning. Today I will discuss some more problems related to parallel lines. Student, take an example. In the figure, L is parallel to M is parallel to N. Then find angle X and angle Y. In the figure, L is parallel to M, parallel to N. Then find the value of angle X and angle Y. Here, in this figure, line L is parallel to M, is parallel to N, and AB is transversal. In which angle A equals 50 degree and angle C is equal 30 degree. We have to find the value of angle X and angle Y. We have to find the value of angle X and angle Y. Student, solution is here. Angle A is equal 50 degree according to question. We know 50 degree plus angle X is equal 180 degree. A pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. A pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Therefore, angle X is equal 180 degree minus 50 degree. 180 degree minus 50 degree, we get result 130 degree. Now, angle Y is equal 30 degree. Angle Y is equal 30 degree. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angle. Y is equal 30 degree. Y is equal 30 degree. Because M is parallel to N and BC is transversal. Therefore, we can say angle Y is equal 30 degree. Alternate interior angles. Hence, angle X is equal 130 degree and angle Y is equal 30 degree. Angle X is equal 130 degree and angle Y is equal 30 degree. Clear? Student, take another example. In the figure, angle A is equal 70 degree and line segment C is parallel to AB. Line segment CE is parallel to line segment AB. If angle ECD is equal 30 degree, then find the other two angles of the triangle ABC. In this figure, AB is parallel to CE and angle A equals 70 degree. Angle ECD is equal 30 degree. Clear? Now, solution is here. Angle A is equal 70 degree. Since line segment AB parallel to line segment CE and AC is a transversal, line segment AB is parallel to line segment CE and AC is transversal. Therefore, angle BAC is equal angle ACE. Alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle ACE is equal 70 degree. Now, angle ACD is equal angle ACE plus angle ECD. Angle ACE plus ECD. ACE is equal 70 degree and angle ECD is equal 30 degree. 30 degree is here. Therefore, 70 plus 30 degree is equal 100 degree. Angle ACD is equal 100 degree. We know angle BAC plus ABC is equal ACD. Angle BAC plus ABC is equal angle ACD. Because sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. Angle ACD, full angle. Therefore, BAC is equal 70 degree. BAC is equal 70 degree. And ABC is equal 30 degree. ACD is equal 100 degree. 70 plus 30. 70 plus 30 degree. 100 degree. Therefore, angle ABC is equal 100 degree minus 70 degree is equal 30 degree. 100 degree minus 70 degree is equal 30 degree. Now, in triangle ABC, angle BAC plus ABC plus ACB is equal 180 degree. Angle BAC plus angle ABC, angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB is equal 180 degree. Angle ABC is equal 70 degree. Angle BAC is equal 70 degree. And angle ABC is equal 30 degree. Then we have to find angle ACB. ACB is equal 70 degree plus 30 degree. 70 plus 30 is equal 100 degree. And then 180 minus 100 degree is equal 80 degree. Hence, angle ABC is equal 30 degree. Angle ACB is equal 80 degree. And angle AC is equal 70 degree. Clear? Student, take another example. In the figure, L is parallel to M. Find angle X, angle Y and angle Z. In the figure, L is parallel to M and find the value of angle X, angle Y and angle Z. Here, line L is parallel to line M. L is parallel to M. And angle AIE equal 40 degree. Angle CJI equal 110 degree. Solution is here. Angle AIE equal 40 degree. Angle CJE is equal 110 degree. Since line segment EF is parallel to line segment GH and line segment CD is a transversal, line segment EF is parallel to GH and line segment CD is a transversal. Therefore, angle CJE is equal JLK. This angle is equal this angle. X is equal 110 degree. Corresponding angle. Hence, JLK is equal 110 degree or angle X is equal 110 degree. Now, JLK plus JLH. JLK plus angle JLH is equal 180 degree. Linear pair. The sum of these two angles are linear pair. Angle JLK is equal 110 degree according to question, and angle JLH is equal 180 minus 110 is equal 70 degree. Angle JLH is equal 180 degree minus 110 degree is equal 70 degree. Or angle Z, we can say angle Z equal 70 degree. Now, angle AIE. Angle AIE is equal JIK. Vertically opposite angle. this angle is equal this angle, vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle JLK is equal 40 degree. Since line segment EF is parallel to GH, EF is parallel to line segment GH, and line segment AB is a transversal. Since line segment EF parallel to line segment GH and AB is a transversal, therefore angle JLK plus IKL is equal 180 degree. JLK plus IKL is equal 180 degree. Angle JIK plus IKL, JIK plus IKL is equal 180 degree. A pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Therefore, angle JIK is equal 40 degree and IKL is equal angle Y. IKL is equal angle Y. Therefore, 40 degree plus Y angle Y is equal 180 degree. 180 degree. Therefore, angle Y is equal 180 degree minus 40 degree is equal 140 degree. Hence, angle X is equal 110 degree. Angle Z equal 70 degree. And angle Y is equal 140 degree. Angle X equal 110 degree, Z equal 70 degree, and angle Y is equal 140 degree. Understood?